Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to find out the computer uses time in Windows, Mac and Linux. So without any more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as UniqueTime, and on the first list it will say its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see its official website, so you can see here download, and below you will see here more download options. Just click on it. Now you will see here download option for different operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux, even available for the Android clients. So right now I'm using a Windows computer, so I'll just download for my Windows computer. So if you're using a Mac and Linux, then you can select any one of your respective operating system. So here you can see here I have three different files. So that is, one is exe, one is .msi, and one is also a portable version. So here I'm going to download the portable version. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Now you can see a zip file. Since I have downloaded a portable version, so just extract it if you have downloaded a zip file. So now you can see a folder, just open it. So since I have downloaded a portable version, so I don't need to install it. So if you download a .exe or .msi file, then you need to install it on your respective hard disks. So just scroll down below and now you can see your UniqueTime, right? So just right click on it and click on run as administrator. You need to wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see it's loading, so wait for a few more seconds until the application gets loaded. So you can see some instructions. So you can see your first option is connect to UniqueTime cloud, connect to premise UniqueTime server, and use UniqueTime on this machine only. So we are going to use a free version. So you can see here includes free version, so free options, and the first and the second one is a paid version. So if you want to use the premium features, then you can purchase the premium license. So here I will just use this free version or a free option, so I'm gonna select this one. So you can see here you have three options like professional, so you can try the professional version for 15 days also, and you can later, if you like the professional version, then you can just purchase it from the official website. So I'll just use the standard one on the third option and I'll just proceed. So what are the features you are gonna get, and the following features will be disabled here. So you can see on the yellow marking with the triangle submit will not be available for your standard version. So if you want those features which are marked with a yellow triangle, then you can just buy their premium licenses. So I'll just proceed. So wait for a few more seconds until the final application gets loaded. So finally you can see the user interface. So you can see here it's completely monitoring my computer, whatever I am doing now. So let me open some web browsers. So I've just opened a Microsoft Edge. So you can see here it's detected. So you can see here, you can see the time, everything, and my day start time. So it's tracking me right now. So you can see here the timing. Since this application is rightly installed right now, so it may not detect the exact time when you install it for the first time. So if you use it for the next day or the day after the next day, then it will auto detect your turn on computer start active time and how long you have been used your computer. You can see here on the day end and even the durations, how many minutes or hours, it will completely show you here everything, and the applications that you have used during your activeness on your respective computer will be completely monitored here, and they will be listed here one by one. So above you can see here just next to the day statics, so you can get the day statics on the particular day. So right now today is a Thursday, as you can see here, 24 March. So you can see here the statics, it's showing durations, it's all like 3 minutes right now. So you can copy, you can export those data also, everything whenever you are in a need of such data, then you can just export, or you can copy the entire data for yourself. So on the above you can see here settings icon, just click on it. Now you will get some more options like import and export. You can import and export the entire data. You can backup also the settings whatever you've done, and the advanced features, you have some more options like backlogs and open data folders. So let us jump to the settings option. Now on the general, if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then I highly recommend to keep it enabled. As you can see here, start when Windows start. Unless and until you enable or keep this enabling, then only you can monitor your everyday computer users time on your respective Windows, Mac and Linux by turning on this, so that the application gets started whenever you turn your respective computer. And next option is for the displays. There are some options that you can change the theme of this applications also, and there are some more options that you can check out by yourself. And the third one is tracking. So here are some more options, so I'm not gonna make it more, so let us quickly jump to the next, like tagging, privacy and notifications. So you can enable or disable some privacy options available under these applications. Schedule backup, you can do a schedule backup also. Global shortcuts, if you want a shortcut hotkeys, then you can use a global shortcut keyboard keys. Application shortcut keys, by default you can see here. You can edit also by clicking on edit, and sounds, whatever sounds you want to set, and export, what time format you want to export this, and the screenshots. So these screenshots may not be available for your standard or the free version. So if you want the screenshots, then you need to get the premium version here. And the proxy settings, so if you want to set a proxy settings here, you can do it inside the app itself. So these are all the options that you will get in the settings options itself. So when you put your mouse cursor on this cursor here, you can see here it's written like active. That means right now I'm running my computer, so it's showing me active. So there may be some inactive times also, so it don't show you a color this markings if you are inactive. So it will be showing you a color, this respectively what applications and how much time your computer is active, then only it will show a color labelings. So here you can see one thing just below the active, as you can see in the pop-up messages below, you can see screenshots available in professional version also. So if you want a screenshot of entire monitoring, then you need to get a premium versions. So sadly this feature is not available in the standard version, which is a free version. So if you are in need of screenshots while monitoring your computer, then you can purchase the premium license. So in my opinion, it's a very useful applications to find out the computer users time in Windows, Mac and Linux very easily. So if you never known about this very useful applications, then definitely you should give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.